Don't try to follow me.
Sonic, I know that look. Going after him is a bad idea.
When has that ever stopped me? I gotta ask, one hedgehog to another, who does your highlights? Hey, dangerously weaving through traffic is my thing. Coming through. Why are you running away? We were just getting started.
The more you talk, the harder I want to hit you.
Watch out! I'm gonna throw up. Yeah, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, 1.21 gigawatts. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Sonic! Are you okay?
I'm fine, guys. And before you ask, I handcuffed myself for tactical reasons that I do not have time to explain.
You shouldn't have gone off on your own. We're supposed to be a team.
Sorry, buddy. Still working on this teamwork thing.
So now what?
Well, I'm not jumping out of any more helicopters until we get some answers from Gunn. We need somewhere to regroup.
I know just the place.